Hello everyone! Julia is here. Today, guys, you will learn how to draw a unicorn. So, what you will need for drawing, guys? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, paints, markers, color pencils, whatever you have at home. I wish you a happy drawing. So let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, let's draw a unicorn today. So let's start drawing our unicorn from drawing its body, and I will draw an oval here. It will be somewhere in the middle. So I'm just drawing just here. You can also draw a straight line and just to draw an oval. It can be a little bit squished because actually our unicorn can be not too big, so I will just correct a little bit this oval. And now I'm drawing this line here, and it will be its neck here and this line here. So, and I will draw here an oval. It will be its head, so I'm just drawing an oval and then drawing two lines here to connect head and body like this. And now you can just rub out unnecessary lines, and you can also make its neck a little bit wider like this, and you don't need now this line here. And now I will draw its nose. I'm just will add a little bit here and here like this, and we are just drawing its beautiful magic face. And so we are just drawing this curved line here and a little circle here. It will be a nostril, and a circle here it will be its eye, and you can make it bigger or smaller as you wish. And then you can draw one line here and one more line here, just to show a spotlight. Draw a circle inside, and of course you can make lashes if you wish. If it will be a girl unicorn, then also don't forget to draw an eyebrow here. I'm just drawing a squished oval here. And now let's draw its mane and also its ears. So I will start drawing its ear somewhere here. Just it's like a corn but a little bit circled, and repeating this line again. So an ear is ready, and now I will be drawing its corn here, and you can make it long or maybe small as you wish. So I'm just actually drawing a corn here, and it will go down a little bit. And now I will draw its hair. So curved line here, and I will draw here and again one here, and just rub out unnecessary lines. So the corn is going out of the hair, so I'm just drawing like this. And you can also draw these lines, curved lines, to make it colorful. And I will also draw mane here, and it will go from here, and just make some curves here. And again you can draw them in different directions, and just creating colorful hair mane here. So, and you can draw in different curves and even decorate it with flowers, or maybe you will put some stars there. And now we will be drawing its legs and tail. So we'll start drawing its legs here, just drawing straight line and a little bit curved line here, and then add its hoof. I can go a little bit forward, and this back this line I will just rub out And back line I will keep for the back leg, and you can draw it like this, and then a hoof also goes here. And now I will be drawing its tail, so you can curve a little bit this oval. So I will just curve it, make it more round, and then I will draw a tail. It will be also a little bit curved, so you can draw some curves here, and as many as you wish, guys, or maybe even bigger. It's up to you. And now I will be drawing its leg, and it will be going from here, just a little curved here, and then I will keep it on the same line. So I will just draw like this, and here I will go this way and then a little bit on the left, and then come back here, and just to show its hoof again, keeping on the same level. Here we go, and I will repeat this line here and drawing its back leg. And look, my hoof is very small, so you can just draw it a little bit bigger if you wish, because it's too thin, I think. So I'm just corrected and just drawing this way and repeating this line here as well. And I don't need this line any longer, so I'm just rub it out and correct. And you can make it a little bit curved here if you wish, and you can also make its tail even longer. So maybe I will just draw a curved line here, then I don't need this line. I will just curve it up and correct, and it's absolutely fine if you will decide to draw more patterns here. So you can correct the tail if you wish. And now I will be drawing a rainbow here, because all unicorns just love rainbows. So I will just draw a semicircle here, and in order to fit it, I will just put some dots here and here, and I will also go here and here. And so what I'm doing now, I'm just connecting these dots, and I think my unicorn would be happy to have this rainbow here. And you can make different colors for the unicorn, and it could be yellow and green and pink and purple, so try to keep it similar. And you can always rub it out and correct if you wish, so don't worry if something goes not straight. You can always rub it out, correct, take the time, and then create a beautiful picture. And I will put some clouds here and here, just to make it look funny and cute. And my unicorn loves stars, so maybe I will call it a star. So I will just draw a star here, and you can draw whatever you wish, a heart or maybe even a strawberry, and we will divide this and color it in different colors. And my unicorn loves strawberries, so maybe I will just draw a few of them. So I will just probably draw a strawberry here, just drawing this a little bit too narrow on the bottom and wider on the top, and leaves, and showing some seeds. And I will draw a strawberry here as well. and dots here, and you can draw as many strawberries as you wish, and I will put one strawberry here as well, just to keep my unicorn happy with strawberries. So you can draw as many as you wish, guys, and now what we'll have to do is just to color it. Okay guys, I will start coloring our unicorn with its eye, and I will make it blue, and you can make it purple or maybe brown or maybe even green. Why not? And I will be using markers for coloring, but you can use pencils or crayons, whatever you have. And I will make my unicorn colorful, so I will use different colors to color its horn, and you can use one color, or maybe you will decide to use 2 or 3 colors. It's up to you, or maybe you will decide to make it a rainbow color, so why not? And I will just use yellow now, and then orange. So I will make different colors just to make it look funny and cute, like this. And I will make it start purple, just because I love purple, and you can draw and color something else, just a heart or something you will decide to add to your unicorn. And you can color its hoof yellow or gray. I will make it light gray, but you can make yellow or orange, so this is just up to you. And I will also color this part is gray as well, and eyebrows will make gray, and this part of where I will make peach. And now I will use pink and purple for its mane, so I will make this part pink, and then we'll decide which colors I would like to use. So, and I would love to see your beautiful unicorns, guys. I know you are very creative, and I would love to see your unicorns and what you have drawn. So there is no limit here, you can draw whatever you wish, and the limit is only your imagination, guys. So be creative, create some beautiful unicorn. And I will add purple here and purple here, so it's look funny. And maybe I will add yellow and orange to its tail, and here I will add then pink as well, or maybe yellow. Yeah, I will make it yellow, guys, just to make it look sunny and bright. And then I will make yellow here, and maybe I will make then purple here on the top. Why not? So you can use different colors, and you can draw many lines and dots, even just create some patterns to decorate our unicorn. So here we go. And I will leave my unicorn white, but you can make it colorful and also color with purple or maybe blue. It's just up to you, guys. And I will color strawberries with bright red. And I think that unicorns love strawberries. That is why I'm drawing strawberries. And you can create even a rain of strawberries. Or maybe you will draw a basket with strawberries. So I will add some green. And now I will have to color a rainbow. And you can color it with markers as well, or I will use try to use pencils. And I would make my clouds cute and funny, and I will draw closed eyes with eyelashes and smile here, and the same will do here. So to make this beautiful picture, and of course some pink blush here circle and one circle here. And the same I'm doing here. And look how already cute and funny looks my picture. And now I will create a rainbow, and you can use 7 colors of your rainbow draw, or you can just use 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you wish, guys. So, and you can use yellow, orange, purple, blue, red, green, and or you can use pink and purple and blue, whatever color you love, guys. It's just up to you. So I will start coloring with red, and I will be drawing these stripes. So, and we'll see how many space I will have for how many colors. So I think I would have space for maybe 4 or 5 colors. We will see now, guys. So I'm just coloring in the same direction as my lines goes. So try to follow and to make just stripes of rainbows, and I will make it red, and now I will use yellow just to brighten it up. So I love yellow, and I will just draw a yellow stripe now. And here I'm repeating and trying to keep it not too narrow. So I'm using this yellow color. And after the rain, we can always see rainbows, and they're so colorful and beautiful, like magic. They're magical. So let's create our own magic, guys. And I will use blue and purple. So I will use, first I think I will use this blue and then add purple. So I will use same color here, and I see that I have only one more stripe to add, so I will use then only 4 stripes. But if you have space, guys, you can make 5 stripes and even 6 and 7, like real rainbows. And here we go. So I'm just drawing a line to make it easy to color, and then just color shading this space. And isn't it cute, guys? It's like shiny and beautiful and magical. And now I will use purple. So I will have 4 stripes for my rainbow. And you can create more patterns and even stars to draw coming out of the corner of our unicorn. And why not to make a wish, because we have a magic unicorn, and let him make all our dreams come true, guys. So we are creating a beautiful picture today and creating a little magic. So we are like wizards, creating magic beauty. And look, guys, how cute is our unicorn. This is just a lovely picture. I love it, guys. Well done. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed drawing unicorn with me. I really love drawing with you, my art friends. And if you enjoy my lessons, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks on my Facebook page, the link to which is below this video. Thank you, stay safe, bye bye!